Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make friend list private on Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to make your Facebook friends list private, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Facebook app. Once you open it, simply tap on your profile and go to your settings. Once you're in your settings section, simply scroll down below. Once you see here, all you gotta do is simply tap on how can people find and contact you. Once you have tapped on this, you can see the option called who can see your friend list. So simply tap on that particular option and there you can simply tap on only me. Once you set it into the only me section, you will be able to make your friend list private on Facebook and no one can actually see your friend request or friend list. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.